Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I came across this clip. It made me laugh, and hopefully it will make you laugh as well. So here it is.
Let me take this opportunity to warn our people publicly about the wrong practices indulged in and promoted by some of the outsiders. One of them is what they call oral sex. The mouth is for eating. Okuria, cham. The mouth is for eating, not for sex.
So there you saw the president of Uganda, Museveni, this guy that has been the president of the country for nearly 40 years. I'm not quite sure what a guy is doing in office for 40 years, what new ideas he has after 40 years. But the new idea that he does have apparently is to now lecture his population on their habits in the bedroom. So you heard him there in his own words, giving them lectures on how to perform as a couple in the bedroom. I'm careful to choose my wordings in this video, but you heard his own wordings, and apparently this is now what the presidency of Uganda means. This apparently now is the pressing matter in Uganda, where there's poverty all over the land and there's no infrastructure and the people are living in abject penury. So ignore all that. It's how to perform in the bedroom that is the main concern of their president, to the point that he has to go on national TV and deliver a lecture. So now what says you? Museveni, president for life, Abacha style in Uganda, and his style of delivery is as you've just witnessed. Lectures on performances between couples. This is how they do it in Uganda. What do you think of it? Conversations in the comment section, but before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's have a chat about how presidency is carried out in Uganda in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.